We remain positive no matter what circumstances we face as humans. We stay positive even when our community as public turns their back to us. We collect remains of each and every pieces of neglected empty cans to make our living. Our human structure is manufactured in a state of heaven. No one can defeat our base of strength, the base of our hope, base of our dignity. I would like to congratulate and celebrate our gas of living, a gas created by nature, a strength of our heart. Because despite of our cleverness, once it stops, we are no more. I rely on the power of ultrasound, the power of electric charge and oil that creates image of unborn baby. A long journey begins unnoticeable. My child, if you scroll with your knees, a picture of me develops, shaded in sky green. Today, it's my birthday.